Okay, I'm going to say goodbye for now. You come back and visit me again, okay, little birdie? You going to come back and visit me again? You going to come back and visit? Okay. I'm going to let you go now. You come back and see me again, okay? You ready? You ready? Check it out. Look. I came home and this bird was on my porch, and he's not hurt. He let me touch him and hold him, and I made a video of him, and on another phone I played back the video. So I played back the video so he could see himself in the video, and I took my other phone and made a video of him watching himself. Bye bye, little birdie. You come back and see me again, okay?
We look like dinosaurs.